Gates open, they're up and racing. Flourish shows alertness at the start. Grand Dynasty moving up down on the inside. Queen Cuba racing in third. Native Land lead, no doubt. Then trading the group is Gold Kugat. As they race towards the last 800, Grand Dynasty now in control by about 2 lengths, followed by Queen Cuba. Then Flourish drops back in third, moving up by the Release lead, no doubt. Passing the last 600, Grand Dynasty, Queen Cuba lead, no doubt now, running in third. Flourish, then followed by entry number 5, Native Land and Gold Kugat as they race to the last 450. Grand Dynasty, Queen Cuba, lead no doubt, closing in third with the last 200 meters more to run. Grand Dynasty, Queen Cuba, lead no doubt, lifting in between runners with the last 150 more to run. Grand Dynasty just in front, lead no doubt now takes the lead. Queen Cuba to take second and finally leave no doubt. Second, Queen Cuba, Grand Dynasty, Gold Kugat, number 4, Flourish, and Native Land.